What do I love? And I love
Traveling.
traveling, and I love traveling
And I love traveling
and meeting new people.
and meeting new people. No.
People.
And
People.
meeting.
And meeting new.
Mating.
Meeting new
Mating.
people. People. Meeting new people. People.
Say people again.
People. People. People.
People.
People.
This is helpful.
That's well, this is the thing, is that, you know, like, it's really about working out how those sounds go and then trying to get them out of your face the way that they're supposed to come out. And so playing around with words is just the easiest, because you see, you and I both don't have time. I can't teach you the international phonetic alphabet. I'm actually doing a course to learn that soon. I've just never bothered, because I have an hour or 5 hours with somebody, and
Right.
I can't teach them everything. So you've just got to work as quickly as possible. Right. So I came up with this, and I called it the Valentine method because it's my name. And I just thought, well, rather, it's easy, and I'll just call it that. And then people will learn it, and we'll just work our way through it. So it works for me. Right. So let me go back. So my family's from Ireland, and I love traveling and meeting new people. Let's have a listen.
Okay, here we go. My family's from Ireland. Well, I don't even know what my sentence was, so let me get back up there. My family's from Ireland, and I love traveling and meeting new people.
Right, I'm going to bring it down to the bottom so that you've got it at the bottom.
Oh, that's helpful.
Yeah. My family is from Ireland, and I love traveling and meeting new people.
My family's from Ireland. My family's from Ireland, and I love traveling and meeting new people. People.
I like that. Yeah, people. Yeah.
Okay.
And meeting new people.
And
right. Whereabouts are you from? So, like, you'd put an S on the end of that word. Right. So whereabouts are you from? Whereabouts you from? Whereabouts?
You.
Whereabouts?
Whereabouts are you from?
Nice. Look at you.
Typing it out, real helps.
Yeah. Well, that's the thing.
Whereabouts are you from?
Whereabouts you from?